Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland. Today we have two trading strategies for you, of course, for pocket options. So watch this video till the end to know how to trade with these strategies properly. Also, don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Let's get started. Alright, we're on pocket options. I have analyzed for first strategy all the currency pairs, selected them, buttons, percentages. You can see that. So, in front of your eyes, of course. And having analyzed the movement for today, I came to the conclusion that the best way to trade today will be use of the channel indicators. And I selected Keltner Channel, of course, with absolutely default settings, guys. Fractal with a period of 2 and 2 stochastic oscillators. The first one will have a period of 7. And the second will have a period of 10. So we will be observing the areas today, overbought and oversold. Also carefully monitor the movement inside the channel and outside the channel, and also watch for the formation of new local highs and lows. In general, every transaction today I will explain in detail as usual. So I think there should be no questions. Let me proceed to further analysis and select the first currency pair for our strategy. And let's start with this full amount of our deposit. Well, let's try to open short here. I'm still not entirely happy with this opening. The trend here is a little unclear to me, to be like, you can see that yourself. In the last section of movement, it's not clear where the price might go. And in which direction it's better to open a deal, because I always try to analyze the trend in detail, and here I don't understand the movement with exactly one candle, right? Exactly one impulse upwards. For some reason, several impulses are not shown as it was before, and the price will already go down. But nevertheless, the logic of the opening is correct. Like there was an exit from the outer part of the Keltner channel, local maximums formed, the sliding lines of the oscillator and the area overbought. Accordingly, there should be a rollback, and yep, we're in the profits. The rollback of the dynamics, everything is simple, nothing complicated. Let's change the amount. Let's put 707 and continue. I will open 2 positions for entire amount of my balance today. So let's continue. I will try to find a trade for an increase, right? Alright, and let's try to open position for a long here. After a short, it's also a relatively good touch point. If we draw a trend line, then we have breakout, right, in this area, and then movement went to the outer part and formed a local minimum. Accordingly, after this, our movement should go inside the channel and our movement should go up. I also pay attention to the oscillators. And I see that both oscillators are an oversold area, so I will expect a long upward. So the oscillators I will point out. So I will expect a long upward exit. Actually, let's watch the results. We have 11 seconds left, and let's just wait. Alright, we're in the profits, great, everything happened just as I said. Still, here the dynamics of the trend are more like an upward trend, right? For the last section of the movement, but as you can see, the downward dynamics are also present. Very impulsive candle here, even perhaps a little lucky, but for me it doesn't matter anymore. I'm happy with the results. We started with $700 and now I see an excellent profit on my balance, and actually I'll record it, the amount for today's profit from first strategy. So let me just withdraw it and we will move to the second. So 1,850 going to my wallet. All right. Okay, continue button. We're done with the first strategy. Let's move to the second one. So guys, second strategy, I analyzed everything. Today we have Bollinger Bands with a period of 13 and deviation of 2, and also 2 RSI oscillators. The first one has a period of 5, the second one has a period of 10. And we leave the overbought and oversold areas on both oscillators at 70 and 30. Today, you understood everything correctly. We will observe the formation of a new local highs and lows, and also watch the oversold and overbought areas as always. In general, there is nothing complicated here. The second strategy gonna be easy as the first one. Let's get started with it. Alright, right here I will immediately open position for a short 100%. Excellent entry into the deal. We have a downward price dynamics provided, and in general it's better to open here in the direction of the trend. Now we will highlight the workspace for you. So we have a formation of a new local maximum. The movement touched the upper part sliding line of our channel indicator. With a downward trend, the price rollback occurred, and therefore I will open in the direction of the trend. We also see touch of the overbought area on both oscillators. I also think that the dynamics of the movement here should continue to go down. Let's look at the result of the first transaction of the second strategy. Alright, it's in the profit. Did you saw that? We were a little lucky. At the end of the deal we had a sharp downward impulse and the deal closes in plus. Alright, that's super. I'm very happy because it was like, you don't get a profit, but I did it. I got it. So, yes, signal was absolutely correct. The dynamics of the movement went down. Well, that's the trading. As they say, some are luckier, some are less lucky, right? Now, we're lucky. So let's change the amount of the value, put $950 and open 2 transactions for the amount of $1,900. Let's try to find an even more reliable entry into the trade. So let's get started. Alright, here I want to open 2 trades to increase the price. We're now actually experiencing an upward trend, guided by one of the oscillators, the 𝑷𝑹𝑶𝑴𝑒, with a period of 5. Also, the main logic of entry in this section, there is an upward dynamic, right? We have a price rollback touching the lower moving average of the channel indicator, forming a new local minimum, then exiting the area. Right, just let me point out. So here's the minimum. So then exiting the area oversold, and also here observing a sliding reversal. In general, this is why I open here long position. Here is already more reliable entry, believe me. Here we also have a currency pair that has OTC status, and when you trade on OTC, it's always better to open in the direction of what? Of the actual trend. That's right. And our positions are in a profit. That's great. Excellent profit for today. I'm completely satisfied with the result of the first strategy and the second strategy. So we did it. We made around $2,600, I guess. I suggest we fix this profit. So let's choose the wallet and withdraw the money. Alright, the amount is gonna be 2,675. Alright, the address. And blah blah blah. Alright, let's go in. Continue button. Awesome. We're done here, guys. I wish you like these 2 strategies. Let me know which one you likes more, which one you choose and tried with your experience. Leave it in the comments your thoughts and how much profit did you get. Also, don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Have a good market. Bye bye.